Hello and welcome to Learn Indonesian HEBAT. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting journey to explore the beautiful Indonesian language and the vibrant culture behind it. Indonesia, a country made up of over 17,000 islands, is located in Southeast Asia and is home to more than 270 million people, making it the fourth most populous country in the world. With such a large population, Indonesia is an incredibly diverse nation, not just in terms of its people, but also its culture and traditions. The Indonesian people are known for their warm hospitality and friendliness. You'll find a strong sense of community and respect for one another, which is deeply rooted in their way of life. Indonesia is also home to a wide range of ethnic groups, over 1,300 in fact. The largest of these groups include the Javanese, Sundanese, Batak, and Balinese, each with their own unique customs, traditions, and languages. One of the most fascinating things about Indonesia is its incredible cultural diversity. The country boasts a rich heritage of music, dance, art, and cuisine, influenced by centuries of history and different civilizations. From the traditional gamelan music and the graceful Balinese dances to the delicious variety of food, Indonesia has something to offer everyone. Indonesia is also a country of many religions. Although Islam is the dominant religion, with about 87% of the population being Muslim, the country is home to other major religions as well, including Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. This religious diversity contributes to the cultural richness of Indonesia and is a source of pride for many Indonesians. Now let's talk about the language itself. While Indonesia is home to over 700 regional languages and dialects, Bahasa Indonesia, or the Indonesian language, is the official language and is spoken across the entire nation. It serves as a unifying language, allowing people from different islands and ethnic groups to communicate with one another. Bahasa Indonesia is relatively easy to learn compared to many other languages. It uses the Roman alphabet, has simple grammar rules, and no verb conjugation. This makes it a great language for beginners to pick up quickly. So whether you're interested in learning Bahasa Indonesia for travel, business, or just out of curiosity, you're in the right place. In upcoming videos, we'll cover the basics: greetings, common phrases, and useful vocabulary to get you started. Stay tuned for more lessons, and we promise to make your learning journey both fun and effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Learn Indonesian HEBAT for more videos like this. See you next time. Terima kasih.